here, and we're going to be talking about why hacks haven't been working for Krunker.io in the past few days. Now, with the update of 1.1.1, Krunker has actually put in a third-party anti-cheat, meaning we're going to not be able to get as many hacks through as easily. There are people trying to find out how to get past the anti-cheat, but it's not likely that we are soon. We will at some point in time, but I'm not sure if it's going to be within the next month, next year, I don't know, however, maybe a week. It really depends, but just stay subscribed, stay notified, and as soon as I find something that'll work, I will put a video out showing that it works. And if you do find anything that does work, please put the link to it down in the description. That's about it.